Hello.
It's Friday, well it is when we're filming this.
It is, yeah.
And we are just going to make probably the quickest cocktail you've ever made.
Yeah.
The simplest cocktail I've ever made.
Yeah, it's been a hard week.
It's been a hard week, you're in your jammies already. I'm scruffy, I'm getting stuff ready for filming tomorrow on a golf film, so get it done fast.
Right.
This is called a Garibaldi.
Love a Garibaldi.
Well, we're going to make Garibaldi biscuits, but this is a Garibaldi cocktail. Okay? In honour of General Garibaldi from 1871 was part of the unification of Italy.
Right.
There you go. I know you need to know that. We've got to fill this up because it's not going to take long.
Okay.
So the idea is it is just orange juice, freshly squeezed oranges, and also blood oranges if you can get them.
Can't get
There's a choice, but freshly squeezed oranges is great. Valencia oranges, they kind of do that kind of style. And Campari.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to add a dash of sugar syrup because it really depends on how sharp your oranges are. Okay. Not really in season right now. Because the reason is Campari is from the north of Italy, the oranges are supposedly from the southern part of Italy. They're unification.
There you go.
Okay, so the idea is you blitz your orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice, within an inch of its life, blender, mixer, whatever. But the idea is to make it really frothy.
I'm going to do that.
Not really done much, has it?
No, it don't really go very frothy. Oh well, never mind that. Right.
That's as good as you can get, is it?
Yeah, it's not really going very frothy.
No. Well, the idea is you froth it up as much as possible, okay?
Alright.
So, now,
Call that a job.
for one drink, it's 120 mils of fresh orange juice and 45 mils of Campari and a dash of sugar.
Right.
Okay, we're doubling it up to quite a large glass. So you get a glass, a highball glass and some ice. You pour your Campari into the glass. How much was that?
That was 60.
Oh, of course, because you're doubling up. It's a big glass. Okay.
90.
Right.
Splash of this.
Yeah, a dash of that because that counteracts the sharpness of this. That's probably enough. And half of your orange juice. There we go. Now, give that a stir. Mainly to chill. Lovely. Maybe give that another whisk, see if you can get it a bit better.
Really frothed.
Okay. Blender is good, if you use a blender as well. And then pour the rest on the top. Top it up with an orange if you've got a slice of orange lying around. We haven't. That's it. That's a Garibaldi.
Looks
Let's
a bit
take
like,
a picture.
Tequila Sunrise.
It very does. It does. It does.
Kind of. So apart from tequila, what else goes in a tequila sunrise then?
Grenadine.
Ah, that was what
and orange juice. Yeah.
From.
Okay, give it a whirl, love. It's not going to be like on the
No, you don't like that sort of stuff.
One of the only drinks I don't like is a Campari.
Oh, that orange juice is sharp.
That's why you have that little bit of sugar.
I guess at the moment all I'm getting is orange juice.
Well,
because it's kind
yeah,
of...
it kind of splits. You have to kind of...
So shall I stir it?
No, you're not supposed to drink it through it, but...
Okay, well, I could be a while. Okay, yeah, now I'm starting to get it.
Yeah. I think the idea of it not being blended completely is so you do get that kind of colour shift.
It's actually not bad.
Well, I didn't think it'd be bad.
Try it.
It's a classic.
I never heard of it before. I mean, I obviously heard of the biscuits because we love the biscuits.
Actually, that's quite nice, but it's definitely got that dry edge to it. Your mouth is going like...
It's very refreshing though.
Yeah.
Perfect for a hot day.
And, well, yeah, we're lying about that bit. And if you use fresh oranges, that sometimes you'll add a little bit of pip in it, etc. You can.
Yeah.
Put it through one of those high-speed juicers.
Yeah.
That would froth it up a lot as well.
I think the thing is, as well, is if you think, I'm just like remembering the lemons from Italy.
Yeah.
And they're
the big Amalfi lemons.
Yeah. And they're so sweet. So I wouldn't imagine if you got the proper oranges that you would need to add sugar syrup to them because I would imagine they'd be sweet like the oranges are.
Perfect.
It's the sunshine. You can taste the sunshine.
You can taste the sunshine in it.
Absolutely.
Okay. So that's a very quick video today. Like I said, it should have been a YouTube short. We could have turned it vertically like that and no one would have noticed. Yeah.
Never mind.
Bye, everybody.
See you later.
Speak soon.
Bye.